Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make Benihana's chicken fried rice. I'm also gonna be showing you how to make Benihana's whipped garlic butter. And I'm also gonna be making some of the ginger sauce that we love to pour over all of our food at Benihana's. So if you plan on trying out this recipe, go ahead and get you a pen and paper now. I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to make this meal. First off, you're gonna need some white rice. You're gonna need some seasonings. So we've got onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. We've got some squeezed garlic, but you can also just chop up your own fresh garlic if you want to. I'm a little lazy sometimes and I don't feel like doing that. I'm also gonna be chopping up some other stuff, so this is the easy way out for me when it comes to garlic, and it's delicious. I've got some green onions. I've got some carrots, a white onion, squeezed ginger, soy sauce, whipped butter, sesame seeds, safflower oil, and of course you're going to need some chicken. I didn't show my chicken because my chicken is defrosting right now. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this recipe. I am gonna do a voiceover for the rest of the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut up now and just get started. I forgot to mention eggs, so also add some eggs to your list. Anyway, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my rice cooking. I am using a rice cooker because I can't ever make rice in a pot without ruining it. So a rice cooker is best for me. So I suggest making your rice earlier in the day or even the day before, because for this recipe you don't want to use freshly cooked rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my rice now, but since I'm in a little bit of a rush, once my rice is done cooking, I'm gonna put it in a different bowl and then I'm gonna pop it in the freezer for a little bit until it cools down and gets a little bit sticky. Also, if you're gonna be making the garlic butter, don't forget to leave your butter out on the counter so it can soften. I'll be making the butter later in this video. So now I'm going to start cutting up my vegetables. I'm cutting up the carrots as small as possible, but not too small because Alan isn't the biggest fan of carrots. And then I'm going to be dicing up some of that white onion. You can use frozen vegetables that are already chopped up if you choose to. For the green onion, I'm going to be cutting the ends off, which is the white part. And I'm going to be using that along with the white onion and the carrot. And then I'm going to be cutting off the green tips, and I'm going to be adding that later to the rice when it's almost done. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the whipped garlic butter. My butter unfortunately wasn't softened enough, so I popped it in the microwave for just a few seconds. Now I'm going to mix and add and taste as I go. So I'm adding some splashes of soy sauce, some minced garlic, and some lemon juice. So now I am going to season my chicken. I'm just using garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. So now I'm putting some of that safflower oil in my pan. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit and then I'm gonna get that chicken started. In the meantime, while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to start toasting my sesame seeds, which is really easy. You just add them to your pan and stir them, watch them, keep stirring them until they start turning a little toasty looking, and then you're done. So now in the same pan with the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and add in that white onion, the carrot, and the green onion. I'm also gonna be adding in some minced garlic and some of that garlic butter. So now I am going to start chopping up my chicken with my kitchen scissors. I put my sesame seeds in a bowl and set them to the side, and now I'm going to start scrambling 2 eggs in the pan with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that my rice is ready and my chicken is done and the vegetables are done as well, I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the pan with the chicken and the vegetables. I'm sure you can tell that I switched pans. I didn't think that I'd have enough room in the first one that I was using, so I just got out the bigger one. So now all you have to do is start adding some soy sauce and seasonings. I'm using salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and I'm adding the soy sauce a splash at a time. You don't want to overdo it with the soy sauce, so don't completely cover it. Just add and mix, add and mix. Go ahead and add in your eggs when they're done and just keep adding and mixing. I'm also adding in some of that garlic butter, some of the green onion, and the sesame seeds, and I'm also adding in some minced ginger. I like adding a lot of the ginger to my rice. I think it makes it taste even better, but if you're not into ginger, then you can definitely skip this step. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just mixing and adding as I go, and I'm tasting it in between as well. So now that my rice is finished, I'm gonna make a little side dish of the ginger sauce. Unfortunately, I ran out of ginger, so I was only able to make a small amount of this, but I just mixed in the minced ginger with a little soy sauce, a little lemon juice, and a little minced garlic, and that's it. Now that everything is finished, I'm gonna throw in a little extra garlic butter, some of that ginger sauce I made, and top it off with green onion and some more sesame seeds. Then I'm gonna shape it into a heart for my hubby, and voila, it's done and it's absolutely delicious. You can have this as a meal itself like we did on this night, or you can make a full meal out of it. We also enjoy this rice with steak and a side of vegetables, or even scallops. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you decide to try out this recipe, let me know, and if you have any questions, just ask. Also, I couldn't end this video without showing y'all a shot of my gals. Yeah, so I cleaned the kitchen. There's a few more things I need to do. I need to put away the rice cooker. I need to get rid of that bag. Yeah, I need to put the food away, the leftovers and stuff like that. But other than that, I am done, y'all. I am done and I am out. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Leave me some comments down below and give this video a like. I'll see you guys later.